Hello creatives people. Welcome to my first English video. Today we will learn to design a nice and simple Photoshop technique. Let's begin. Open a new file in Photoshop. Make dimensions 2048 pixel height and 2048 pixel width. And the resolution 72 pixel per inch. Because we will design for web or social media in this tutorial. Let's drag and drop our main portrait. In this case I removed the background to save your time. Now we will work on the eyes. Choose the pen tool or any selection tool or any method you prefer. I prefer to make a nice and clean selection by pen tool. Select the eyes and make a copy in new layer. Select that layer and press Ctrl+T to transform it. Then rotate it 90 degrees. Press Enter and go to Filter. Stylize. Wind. For method choose Blast. And the direction from the right. Then press OK. Let's repeat the process by pressing Alt plus Ctrl plus F for 2 times. Now we will place the eyes in the right place. Make a mask for this layer and select Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is black. Let's make the edges of the eyes more smooth. Then change the layer mode to linear dodge add. The eyes now is perfect. Now we will make colorful splash dropping from the eyes. To do that we will use any colorful image and apply wind filter to it. Open the image in Photoshop. Go to Filter. Stylize. Wind. For method choose Stagger. And the direction from the left or right as you wish. Then press OK. Repeat the filter as you want to make the effect pop up. Make a copy of the final colorful pixel string and drag it to the main file that we work on it. Resize the layer to fit under the eye and make a copy of it. Drag the copy to the second eye. Make a mask for these 2 layers and remove unwanted pixels to refine the effect. Repeat the process for the chin hair. That's great. Now we will make the background. Make new layer with color £E6C719. Open image of space or stars and apply wind filter to it. Copy the final image and drag it to our main file. Make sure to remove edges to blend the effect with the background color. Change the layer mode to difference. Now we can make new layer and put a gradient to it with color F12D77. That's it.
Hope you liked the video. Love to hear from all of you. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. This was Mohamed Salah from Mohamed Studios. See you in a new video.